What's up, everybody? I'm gonna attempt to tune this carb here. I'm gonna make another video showing how to put all this together and where to get everything, and I'm having some actual extensions made, so when these come it'll just be a quick bolt-on thing, and we'll show you. I'll wait until those come to make the video. This is a mildly built Predator 212. Got 26-pound springs, chromoly rods, champion rockers, billet rod, hot 265 cam, you know, just mild build. Got the billet flywheel, or actually, yep, this is a billet one. Turn the idle up, I think, at least a half a turn, just to make sure that it runs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from, we're gonna get it running first, and then play with the idle, whatever. It's probably gonna be rich or whatever. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But you're gonna see it's really easy to tune. So we'll tune this one first. Idle and no throttle, and keep turn it until it gets faster. Turn the idle down, keep playing with that back and forth as it gets faster. Turn the idle down. Then we're gonna mess with this one, the high speed, but not at full throttle, at half throttle. We're going to get this right. And then once we have this, we'll try the whole thing. It should be good, and you might just need a little bit of tweaking on these at the end once you set the high speed.